If you're a web developer or manager and you need access to a client's WordPress website, you might be wondering what's the safest and easiest way to get in. Today, I'm walking you through the recommended process for receiving website access from your client, using WordPress itself. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to guide your client for a smooth and secure collaboration without sharing or handling any sensitive passwords. So let's get started right away. The most secure way to gain WordPress access is by having the client create a new user account just for you. This method is great because it keeps everyone's credentials private and ensures your client always keeps ownership of the site just as it should be. First, your client needs to log into their own WordPress dashboard. They do this by opening a browser, typing in their website's address, and adding /wp-admin or login at the end, for example. They'll sign in using their existing username and password. It's important that only the site owner does this part to maintain security from the start. Once your client is inside their dashboard, they'll notice a menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. Here they should click on Users. This is where all the user accounts on the site are managed. Within Users, there's an option called Add New, and that's exactly where they're headed next. At this point, they're ready to enter your details. They'll be prompted to fill out some information like your email address, a username, and possibly your first and last name. Tell your client not to worry if not every field is required. The key piece here is your email address, as that's how WordPress will reach out to you directly. It's worth mentioning using your best professional email here is a good idea. This keeps things organized and ensures you receive the invitation promptly. Now, here's a critical step. Your client must decide what level of access to grant you. WordPress allows the client to choose your role using a drop-down menu. For most developers, the administrator role is necessary. It gives you full access to the site's files, settings, and plugins, basically everything you'll need if you're managing or building the site. However, if your job is purely content-based, say adding blog posts or updating pages, then editor is the safer, more limited choice. Don't hesitate to guide your client here. It keeps both of you on the same page and avoids accidental permission issues down the line. Once everything is filled out, your client simply clicks Add New User, or if they're running a newer setup, it might say Send Invitation. That's it. WordPress instantly sends you an email with a unique link so you can set up your own password and access the site. This might take a minute or two, so don't worry if the email doesn't arrive instantly. Just remind your client to double-check your entered email and check their spam folder if necessary. And that's the entire process. This way you get professional, secure access without any messy password sharing, and your client can easily remove or change your access anytime as needed. Hopefully, this gives you a clear step-by-step guide you can share with any client, making the onboarding process stress-free for both sides. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WordPress tips and tutorials. If you have questions on roles, permissions, or ran into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.